Hi, and welcome to week number 8. This week we're dealing with the concept of leadership and its relationship to leading and managing projects. So take a look at this introductory videos I put together, which will form the basis for this week's discussion forum, which you'll need to engage in. I will be posting a question in the Q&A forum today on Sunday, which you'll be going to and taking a look at throughout this week's engagement. So in addition to that and reading chapter 10, you can watch my lecture on chapter 10. There definitely needed some updating, but at this moment in time of the semester, that doesn't look like a good possibility. So chapter 10 and some of the subsequent chapters in the concepts of socio-cultural aspects of project management are going to be sort of a flat lecture, maybe more flat than some of the other ones. So just a little heads up on that. So read the chapter or watch the recorded lectures, whichever engages you the best in learning the materials. And I would recommend you take a look at that as well before you start engaging in the forum, at least the sections on leadership versus management. This week, I guess on Monday, since I'm recording this on Sunday, case number 2 is up and running and due on the 5th. Dropbox is in this week's folder. Case 3 and SE 13-2 are both assigned. SE 13-2 I assigned last week while we were in chapter 13. Case 3 is now assigned, and it's a case out of your chapter 10 dealing with some leadership issues as well on a project. So take a look at case 3. I know that it's not in the 5th edition of your book. It's in the 6th edition. Unsure whether it's in the international edition. So hopefully between you and your teammates, you have a copy of the case that you can tap into. And I've also posted a secondary question or a question beyond what was asked in the book relating to your own personal experiences in similar situations, which I'm also asking you to write up as well. And everyone needs to do a section for that. So as I mentioned earlier, no synchronous class this week, so the discussion forum is up and running. The first part of that discussion forum is due Friday, March 9th, and the second part where you go back and respond to your fellow teammates' comments you can do over the weekend, as long as you get some postings in by class time next Monday, March 12th. That's all I got for this week. We'll hopefully have a good week, and we'll catch up with you next week. Bye.